Hi, Penny for your thoughts here. You know, it's nice to get away and just contemplate life. And I'm out here in the country just looking at I don't know what you call it. Is it a creek? Is it a wetland, a lowland, or just overflow from a creek? I don't know. I'm here at a church. I'm waiting for a customer. It's always peaceful when I come out here. Wonder why that's like that. Oh well. Anyway, I'm trying to stay calm today, and it's raining. I just thought I'd like to take a short little video of the land surrounding over here. Let's see what's back here. I think it's just a wetland, marshy. Nothing ominous or spooky about it. It's just the way it is. Just kind of cool. It's kind of neat the way the trees grow, branch off from a big tree trunk to whatever. I just thought you'd like to see what kind of countryside there is over here in Ohio. Big Ohio. That's all I have to say today. It's a quiet, peaceful day. So until next time, Penny for your thoughts. Have a good afternoon. Okay, I did talk to the lady that I met with at that church, and she told me that that was a creek. It's called Cessna Creek, and it's because I think it's Cessna Township, and that is in Hardin County, Ohio. So that cleared that part up, but I've always wondered about that place, and today when I was waiting for her, I thought I would take that opportunity to go back and take some video and pictures of it. Well, that's all I have to say about that. I'm home. I'm going to eat my coney dog. Look, I had to put some cheese on it. It's too sweet. I don't like sugary unless it's sloppy docks, which Jim used to make all the time, which was good. But this is a hot dog, and it's supposed to be a coney dog, and now I'm complaining. Sorry. Enjoy the video. More good stuff. Wow. Heard something hitting up against something. I don't know what it was. It must be the wind, though. Okay, well, it's time to hit the road. Lunchtime. Past lunchtime. So, next time, Penny for your thoughts. See ya.